Dr. Michael Winters, Winters Wellness, Chiropractic Redefined, and I want to share with you today four very powerful things that we can do to help somebody with anxiety or that's maybe even having panic attacks. One is work with their structure so their posture is good so that they can breathe properly. If we're like this, we can't breathe good and we can't get the oxygen needed to our brain. If our diaphragm is all locked up, we can't get the oxygen needed to our brain. So we can work with you structurally and help you breathe better so you can have better oxygenation to the brain. Anything we do at Winters Wellness is gentle. We use an instrument. We can release those areas, help your posture be good, and help you breathe better. Second thing is work on neuro-emotional connections. These are connections of thoughts that cause our body to react like this internally and contribute to anxiety. Breaking these neuro-emotional connections can be really, really powerful. So what we do is we have a way of monitoring the body through the muscles at the base of the skull. As soon as you think a stressful thought, I can pick it up there, which thoughts are making your body react and which thoughts aren't. For the thoughts that are making your body react, we can adjust you at the same time, and it breaks the connection between you thinking of that and your body doing this. It's very, very powerful work and very useful with anxiety. That's neuro-emotional techniques. That's the second thing that we can do. The third thing is called neurofeedback. Neurofeedback is a way for the brain to get information about itself. As soon as the brain gets information about itself, it can learn from that, and it can be learn to become more effective and efficient. Think of yourself driving down the highway and you get off on those bumper strips on the right and they're rattling and making noise. Well, naturally, if you intended to stay in your lane, you just steer back into your lane. That's the kind of information that neurofeedback gives you. The computer's collecting all kinds of information about your brainwave activity and alerting you when that changes through an interruption in sound. So it's really powerful in helping the brain become more efficient and more effective, and lots of people can get relief with anxiety issues. The other thing that does is when we have lots of anxiety, there's too many things vying for our attention in the front part of our brain, and they should be way in the back because most of these things happened in the past, but they're just continually triggering us. So neurofeedback allows us to say, hey, when the brain gets information, it can go, I don't need that up here, I can put that away. And I don't need this up here, I can put that away. And the brain reorganizes itself. So neurofeedback is a fantastic tool for anxiety. The fourth thing that we can bring into the picture is very specific nutrition to help the brain function better. Anything from vitamin D to the proper amounts of the B vitamins to any of the herbs that increase circulation in the brain. There's lots of ways that we can help the brain be more efficient and effective. Even such things as tuna fish oil to reduce inflammation in the brain. So we have many, many options there, and I'm very specific at finding just the right tool, and we have a whole protocol through questionnaires, through reflex points, through blood work and so forth, where we can find exactly what your brain needs. So these are four things that we can do to help somebody with anxiety. We also have genetic testing that we can do to help us fine-tune the nutrients that you need based on your specific weaknesses. Now, how cool is that? You have a little weakness in getting the exact form of folic acid into your cells. We can see that on the genetic testing and give you the right form to work around that, and your body can function much more effective and your brain much more effective and efficient. So those are four tools that we have here at Winters Wellness to help people with anxiety. So look forward to sharing these with you, and share this video with someone you know. Thanks.